Go.
Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are again on the Bindies YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are at Craft Alive in Morwell. How are you going, Brett?
Yeah, good. Thawing out.
Yes,
it's a bit windy outside, but the heaters are on inside and we've got those doors opening in just a couple of minutes.
Wonderful.
Don't forget, pre-purchase tickets online and save.
Yes.
We're going to do a quick run through.
We're going to do a run through all the exhibitors and see who's here, and we're going to 9:30 till 4.
Yeah, 9:30 to 4
Kerno
today.
Hall.
Kerno Hall in Morwell on the
Morwell.
Princess Highway.
Princess Highway, easy to get to. Come in, it's nice and warm. Get out of that
free parking, all that good
free
stuff.
Parking,
and we've got a great range of exhibitors that we don't
Yes.
see at all the shows, so get on down.
Yes, lots of newbies.
Okay,
Brett,
see you all
see you
soon.
later. Let's get these exhibitors through. Who's first? Here we are. We've got Robin and we've got Alex. How are you this morning?
We're really well.
Good, good.
Ladies, come and see us at Cascade House and look at these beautiful new designs that we've got. A new designer out of South Australia. I'm sure you're going to love embroiderers. Come and visit us.
Wonderful. Thanks, Robin. See you, Alex. Next one, come on in.
We're Gaynor and Judy from Close to My Heart. We have great die sets that can make cards, and we're having a wonderful card class this morning.
Great, wonderful.
The card classes are at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, and the scrapbook class is at 1 o'clock. We have beautiful inks, we have fabulous shimmer pens, so come and see us at stand 74.
74. Come on down. And come on in.
Crystals and more. We have all your gorgeous crystals from Swarovski down to budget ones, and we also specialise in meshwork, and meshwork classes at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
2
Come
o'clock.
and see them.
Bye.
Bye. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Libby from Libby's Cards, Charms and Dies, site 70. We have lots of dies, cutting plates and about 700 charms.
Oh
So
wow, lots of
pop in
charms.
and see us.
Come and
Thank
see
you.
the guys. Thanks. Come on in.
Hello, we are Stamping Up. We have this project kit available for $50 on the show stand. We also have a class at 11 o'clock and we have a make and take going on for most of the day.
Wonderful.
It is double-sided. It's fantastic.
Oh, come and see them down here at Cosette. Hello, how are we?
Hello, Margaret from Creature Crafts, around on stand 91. You can come down. I'm demonstrating all day how to do English paper piecing the easy way. Iron on, wash away, no pulling out papers.
Beautiful.
Come and see me, Creature Crafts, stand 91.
91.
Thank you.
Come and see ya. Hey, how we going?
Flexicraft moulds, this is Lynn. Cake decorating the easy way. Using our moulds
Yes.
with ready to roll icing. 61.
So, no, it's like 61. See, we go like that. There we go. Oh, see, that was me. There we go. Okay, come and see them.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on in.
Hi there, I'm Bess from Little Bumble. We're on site 80. We've got reusable food wraps, so you can wrap anything you'd wrap glad wrap with these.
Yeah, so let's get the environment going healthy.
That's it.
Wonderful. Come and
Thank
see
you.
them. Come on in.
Mary from Little MG Designs. I have some beautiful Nuno felted work and a workshop to make this beautiful flower.
Whoa, and workshop is at
Starts at 11 o'clock and goes through to 1:30.
Beautiful.
Come anytime you like.
anytime you like. Wonderful. Thanks for that. Hey.
Hi, it's Melinda from Scrapbook and Craft. We've got a fantastic class at 1:30 making this beautiful lady canvas with loads and loads of chipboard. You can never have too much chipboard in your stash.
No, definitely. Hey, how are you this morning?
Good, thanks.
Good.
Hi, Jenny from Hillbilly Scrapping. Sunday 1:30 we're making this gorgeous shutter using the most beautiful green tara flowers. Our store has mixed media, all your paper craft, everything you need. Come and see
Come
us.
and see. So there's lots down here, guys. Come on in. We've got more.
Hi, I'm Julie from Kazaz. We're demonstrating the Gemini system today with the patchwork dies for cutting your patchwork products and the foil press and lots of other supplies are available too.
Wonderful. Thank you. Hey, Michelle.
Hi, Michelle from Snazzy Scrapping. Have lots of Australiana dyes, hot foil dyes, anything for card making, scrapbooking and mixed media.
Come and see Michelle. Hey, how are you?
I'm Betty. I'm
Betty.
from Creative Memories. We're looking at our new Easy Glide cutter. So silent, so it cuts so easily. 2,000 cuts per blade.
Wonderful.
Storage for spare blades underneath.
Oh, come and see
the
them.
best thing is it comes out to a 16 inch. No more trying to fuss for 12 inch.
Wonderful. Come and see them down there. Hey, Di, how you going, Di?
Hi, I'm Diane from the Cook Basket, stand 16, and everything on my stand is on sale.
It is,
And
yes.
I've even got some of my own
This is
paintings.
her
that I-
own painting. She's very artistic. Yes. Come on, come and see Di at the quilt basket. Hey, how are you?
Hi, good. I'm here with Bee and Spider, which has a whole range of different craft things. things from makers in the local area. We've got materials to make crafts, we've got made up things, and today we're doing needle felting.
Needle felting, come on, see them down there. Wonderful. Hey, how are you? Good. Oh, look at all these lovely buttons.
Button ladies.
Yes.
Come and see our buttons. We're local to the area.
Yes.
We've also got our interchangeable snap jewellery.
Just found I've got a dragonfly one from them. Really nice.
Yep.
Yes.
Come on there and come and see us.
Come and see them. Wonderful. Thank you. Hey, how you going, Annie?
Hi, I'm Annie from Designer Stitches, and I design and manufacture needlework kits in the Shadow Trapunto and French Trapunto technique, and this is French.
French. Come and see Annie down here and get a nice little display of them. Come on in. Off you go. Next one.
Hi.
Hey, how you going?
Good. I'm Elva from Elite Gift Collection. I sell easy scarves, which is this one here, and also miniature gardens.
Little miniature gardens.
So you can come and make your own little miniature
And they can
garden.
actually do that at your stand.
Absolutely.
Beautiful.
All
come
throughout
and,
the day.
Come and see
Okay.
Elva. Wonderful.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey, how you going, Jeanette?
I'm Jeanette from Just Crafts. I'm on stand 17 in the foyer. We've got the Rosella stitcheries. There's a special price on the set of 4 if you like. We've got 1 metre pieces for $10 a
Bargain.
metre. And we've got the applique designs from Monica Poole.
Wonderful. Come and see them. Thanks. Hey, how you going, Doug?
Hi, Demo Doug from Catchy Crafts. Come along and see us in the foyer, also opposite the cafe. Paper crafts, cards, demos. Have a great time. Thank you.
Thanks, Doug. Hi, how are you? Come on in. Where are you from?
I'm here from Melbourne.
Melbourne, yes.
Wenley Funny.
Yes? Yeah. And you've got different things, massage things for people.
Yeah, that one's for the
ache and pain relief.
Ache and pain relief. And you're down here and you've got them where they can try them and everything like that as well.
Exactly.
Wonderful. So come and see these guys down here at Morwell.
And also acupuncture, no needle.
Oh, and acupuncture and everything.
Palm massage and stimulate your nerve, stimulate your muscle all
All
together.
muscles. Any aches and pains as you're walking around, guys, come and see these guys and they'll help you out with it.
Exactly.
Wonderful. Thank you
Thanks
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's good. Great. Wonderful. Hey, so look at all these exhibitors at Craft Alive Morwell. Come on down and see us. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell and make any comments. If you want to see anyone in particular, let me know. Comment below. Come on down, subscribe, and happy sewing.